We are not the best, but we will give you the best. This is Test Tech Audio. Battle mode activated.
Wala guys yung 502 na concert guys. So bali sira ng board nito. Yan, tinabas ko na siya. Bali ang gagawin nating driver guys is yung ating DIY OCL na 506. Yan siya guys. Bali 2 pairs pa rin na transistor powered by 63 volts na capacitor. Yan. Sa transformer naman guys is yan 31 volts guys. 31 volts negative at positive. Bali okay naman tong board na to guys. Yung nasiraan talaga sa kanya yung sa amplifier. Lahat ng transistor is nasira. Bali parang nasusunog guys kahit palta ng bago. So yan. Kaya ang ginawa natin guys yung power nitong kinuha natin tapos kinabit natin dito sa ating DIY OCL na driver kit guys. Ayan. Tapos yung audio in natin, ito, kinuha ko lang dito sa ating board ng 502. Ayan. So try na natin to guys. Ito nga guys, nakasaksak na ating amplifier. Kung maririnig nyo is may naririnig ko yung humming. So ibig sabihin parang grounded siya guys. So kailangan pa natin itong ayusin. So bali try na natin muna ito guys.
Kasama ang Test Tech Audio. We are not the best, but we will give you the best. This is Test Tech Audio. Battle mode activated.